Hey guys, we are doing Spark today. It's 1:30 p.m. right now and I'm just starting and I have my first order. $20 for 4.8 miles and I'm going to shop for 17 items. So let's go. My first item, scan it. Scan. All done. Let's go check out. Let's go deliver. We have 10 minutes to get to our customer's house. So let's go. Hey you guys. Let's deliver our groceries. I keep saying packages now. I mix it up with the vehicle. But I know what I mean. You guys, can we get $100 before we go home? I need to get at least $100. I know I started too late, so I don't know if I can get 100 today. Whew. $19 for 1.9 miles, you guys, and it's a shopping order. I'm going to shop 11 items plus pharmacy pickup. So let's go. Just picked up my pharmacy, so now let's go shop our 11 items. All done. It was super easy to shop, y'all. So let's go check out and drive and come back to get some more orders. So you guys, I dropped my second order. The lady was old and she asked me to place it inside her house. That's why I didn't record me. That's why I didn't show me on delivering it. So I just received another one, $14, and it's a shopping order, and I'm only going to shop for 6 items. And it's going 4 point something miles. So let's go in and shop for this order. So you guys, the customer ended up canceling the order because 3 of her items they was missing. Like I couldn't find in the store, and I guess she wanted that. Altogether it was like 6 items and 3 was missing. So she canceled the order. So let's go back in the car and wait for another order. I just received another shopping order, you guys. $16 for 5.5 miles, and I'm only going to shop for 5 items. You guys, it's super hot. Oh my gosh. I think we're on 90s. We're in 90s right now. Super hot. We need to drink a lot of water. It's super hot. All done. Ooh, super hot. Oh my god. Alright, 1903. 1903. There we go. I need a passcode. Let me knock. Maybe the doorbell doesn't work. Hello. I need a passcode. I received another order, you guys, $22 shopping order. I'm going to shop for 16 items and it's going to my yours. Let's go shop. I've been doing shopping orders so far, so that's good. I don't mind doing shopping orders. I need 12 of this. 12. Sorry. On my way to go deliver my order, and it's only 6 minutes away. Let's go. $205, $201, $203, $205. Let me back it in. Hold on. I received another order. $16 is going 3 miles, and I'm only going to shop for 9 items. Let's go shop these 9 items. Let's get some ice. The first thing, let's get. Okay, I'm over here, you guys. She's waiting for me. Let's get this thing out. This is my last order over here. It was $11 for 1 mile, and I had to shop for 8 items. All this water over there is my water, because after this, I'm going home, and I need the water. So, let's go check out. Okay, let's get our stuff. That's my water. Let's go deliver. Oh, you guys, for some reason, I'm super tired. I'm going on 3rd floor. Oh, super tired. But I'm happy I got my steps in. I am on 7,000 steps, y'all. Because I've been doing shopping orders the whole 4 hours. So that's good. That's a good news to me. Oh. Ooh, the steps. Okay, you guys, we worked 4 hours, you guys. 4 hours and maybe 30 minutes, something like that. And all together, you guys, I made 108. So I reached my goal on making $100. So I made $100 today. Thank God. But I'm so super tired. And today they dropped some VO, but I did not like what I didn't like the money, so that's why I didn't go to VO or mix up VO today. So if you like this kind of content, please go ahead and subscribe, share, like. I will see you guys in my next video. I'm about to take my walk right now, you guys. So bye for now.